So we've got a shower that's been ordered by our salesman here, and it looks like he's ordered a 42 by 42 floor. It's got a neo-angle curb or a 90-degree curb. But the thing you've got to remember as far as an installer is your maximum is your 42. And if I measure this panel, the installer did 41 and a half. So you've got to think that as an installer. So your floor guy comes in first. He should look at his paperwork and say, hey, I've got 42-inch shower panels. That's my maximum for my panels. So he should cheat back. So this installer did 41 and a half, cheated back his 3 inches, and then made his curb. That way when he came to install the shower, he's given a maximum shower with the 42-inch panels, 42-inch by 42-inch floor that's been ordered. Tyvarian makes 2 widths of curbs. You've got a 3-inch in this situation, and you could do the 4.5. So we got a 3-inch and a 4.5. So you could do either one on this type of shower, a 90-degree shower, a neo-angle. Your walls continue out on both sides in between 2 walls, just a 3-wall shower. But in this situation, we've got a pony wall, and you have to have the 4.5. And this is designed to be set up, you've got a studded wall, you've got sheetrock on both sides, so you've got the width. And that way you can have it the width of this wall, and that gives you more room inside your shower. Your glass guy, he can put this wherever he wants. If you just had a 3-inch in this situation, that would be maximum. So if you've got a return wall, you have to have the 4.5. An open one, you can have the 3-inch or the 4.5.